So here with the large format tiles, they can be a pain to flush up to one another. Obviously the idea of a tile is a nice flat surface. One way to help ensure that is Perfect Level Master's TLock system. So what the TLock system does is it ensures these tiles are going to end up flat and perfect. So how they work is you simply slide this part in behind the tile. You can put your next tile into it so it'll look like this. So moving forward, these are the base plates. They're an optional choice. They do prevent with chipping on edges. They're a multi-useful tool as they do have the spacers on it. Simply slip that on there. The next step is to get one of these wedges. The wedge goes through there and essentially locks these tiles in perfectly flat. So using the TLock system, like I mentioned, we're going to use the base plates for underneath the tile to elevate that to the level height that we're looking for. If you don't have the base plates or if you don't use them, your other option is to use the wedge itself. The wedge itself has your dimensions on the bottom. It's got a 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, which is a 16th, 3 millimeter, which is an 1/8, and a 3/16 spacer at the top of it. So same principle. You would just slide that in to that 1/16 that we're looking for there. And that tile can be pulled out, and you could use your wedge to elevate the tile just as you do a base plate. So with the TLock system, they do have a tool option. The benefit of Perfect Level Master's TLock is that you don't have to use the tool. It is super easy to put in with just one hand. If you're in an uncomfortable position, it is very easy to slide in. It grips it, it holds it. You don't have to worry about your tiles moving afterwards. Getting back to the tool, they do make one for those that did want it. It essentially grabs your clip here in your wedge and it pushes it in, and it does the exact same thing, except it's in a plier form.